Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial series. Now in this particular tutorial series we are going to talk about lead pages. Now this is going to be a long tutorial series. Now in this particular video I'm going to discuss about what is lead pages and what lead pages is used for. Now lead pages is a funnel building software that is used to create high converting landing pages, websites, blogs. Now if you're an affiliate marketer or an online coach or an online business owner or a consultant, then this is going to be a hugely important tool that is going to collect you tons of leads. Now, one of the most important features of lead pages is that you don't require any software skills like coding or something like that. You just need to drag and drop the templates in order to build your high converting landing pages. Now, if you see over the screen over here, it is the lead pages software, and you can see how build a high converting landing page that's unforgettable. So you can see some of the top marketers or online coaches and consultants using lead pages and have generated lots of money out of it. So you can scroll down and you can see there are 12 plus leads generated daily by each lead pages user on an average, and 5x more conversions than the industry average. And you can see more than 270k businesses launched on lead pages, which tells how dominant this funnel building software is in the industry. Now you can see some of the features of this lead pages tool. Now here you can see the landing page templates, like expert design landing page templates for all your business goals. Now no matter what your industry or what your product you're selling, now lead pages has got your template for you. Now whether you're going to grow your email list, or you want to sell your products with high converting sales pages, or if you want to promote your events, or like your next webinar or virtual summit, something like that, and if you want to reach the right audience, then you always have the unique tailored template available for your industry. Now if you scroll down, you can see some of the top marketers, and you can see Amy Porterfield, one of the top online selling coaches who uses lead pages. Now when you scroll down, you can see you have various integrations available with lead pages. Now if you go down to the bottom, you have this take your business to the next level. Now you can start your 14-day free trial, and you can always use those 14 days to check out the different features that is available and try to create your own landing pages, and from there you can move on to your paid plan. Now if you want to sign up to your lead pages, then you can always check out my affiliate link in the description box below to sign up for your 14-day free trial. Now just before signing up for the 14-day free trial, now if you come over to the top, you can see the platform and you can see the different features like the landing pages, the conversion tools like A bar, B testing, pop-ups, alert bars, and the lead meter. Lead meter is something, the new feature which tells you how well the landing page is optimized, and lead management, AI engine, something, this is a new feature that has been added by lead pages, and websites, which is we can create a no code websites for your business products and or events, and you can also use them for blogging, or you can do payments. If you have your own products to sell on lead pages, you can always integrate with different payment platforms like Stripe, PayPal, and you can also see other features by clicking on over here. And when you go to solutions, you have the different use cases like PPC ads, social media, search engine marketing, email marketing if you want to grow your email list, and small business websites. And if you're a small business owner, then I would recommend you to go for lead pages, and lead generation, and also demand capture. So, and you can also see in the templates, the different templates, whether you want to capture the lead or offer, you want to promote the latest offers and discounts, and social bio link, webinars, consultations, sales, and you have the website templates also if you want to create a website out of it. And if you go to the resources section, you have the blog, help center, case studies. Now you can watch the case studies of various online marketers, coaches, and consultants who have literally grown their business using lead pages. And also you have this customer services and support if you want to reach out, and normally they reply back to you within 24 hours. And if you want to join their affiliate program, you can join their affiliate program through partner stack. So now you have seen what lead pages is all about, and in the next tutorial video I'm going to discuss about the pricing plan of lead pages and how to choose the plan according to your business needs. So if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button so that you get the notification the very moment I upload my videos. So see you then in the next video.